Good morning, boys and girls. These are the words for week 2. We are going to practice words and colors. The first color is yellow, and the word is dad. Here is the dad. I love my dad. Dad. What is this word? Dad. Good job. The next color is orange. And the word is he. He. He es como él u ele. He is happy. He. What is this word? He. Good job. The next color is blue. The color is blue. And the word is in. In. The bird is in a tree. In. What is this word? In. Excellent. The next color is purple, and the word is it. It. It is night. It. What is this word? It. Good job. The next color is red. Red. And the word is look. Look. Como mirar. Look. Look at the teacher. Look. What is this word? Look. Good job. The next color is green. And the word is mom. Mom. I love my mom. Mom. What is this word? Mom. Excellent. The next color is yellow. And the word is my. My. My house is blue. My. What is this word? My. Excellent. The next color is orange, and the word is on. On. The bird is on the window. On. What is this word? On. Good job. The next color is blue again, and the word is up. Up. The cat looks up. Up. What is this word? Up. Good job. And the last word is we. We es como nosotros. And the color is purple, but the word is we. We eat at school. We. What is this word? We. Excellent. Good job, boys and girls.